So this is this is my ecobee thermostat. I think it's ecobee 4 or maybe the ecobee Pro. I don't know. It's one of the ecobees, and I wanted to show you guys real quick how to reset this thing or get it ready to change ownership. Process here is very simple. What we're going to do is from here we're going to click on these three lines. That's the menu, and we're going to go over here to the settings. See if we can get that settings. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to hit settings again. Okay, so settings and settings, and then here we'll scroll down to reset. So you can see I only have a couple of the things in here, but you might have more. But since we want to erase everything on here, we're going to select reset all, and then you'll hit yes. Now I'm not going to do this, but what it's going to do is it's going to reset literally everything, right? And then it's going to enter setup mode. The setup mode on these things is very simple, so you should be able to follow the steps very, very easily to reset this thing up. So yeah, guys, that's all we got today. Hope it was helpful. See you next time.